Hi, Ashley here with HeartHookHome.com, and today we are learning how to crochet the lemon peel stitch. This is such a fun stitch and it's actually very easy to crochet. All we're doing the whole time is we are alternating between single crochet, double crochet, single crochet, double crochet, all the way to the end of the row. So it's a lot easier than it looks. It creates a great texture that almost looks like a lemon peel or a lemon rind, which is where we get the name. So let's learn how to crochet this one together. To start the lemon peel stitch, you need to start with an odd number of chains. Here I have 7 for this tutorial. What we're going to do is we're going to find the second chain from the hook, so this one right here, and I like to work into the back bar, so I'm going to turn it a little bit, and I'm going to stick my hook into this back bar right here of the second chain from my hook. Pull up a loop and then make that a single crochet. Now I'm going to make a double crochet in the next chain. I'm going to make a single crochet in the next chain, a double crochet in the next. So we're doing single, double, single, double, single, double, all the way to the end of the row. And when you get to the end, you should end with a double crochet in this last chain here. So this one is a single, and this one is a double. Beautiful. Now we're going to make the subsequent rows, and all of the rest of the rows that you make throughout the entire piece is going to be this next part that we do. So first we're going to chain 1 and turn. The very first thing we're going to do is place a single crochet in the first stitch right here, just a single crochet. In the next stitch, we're going to place a double crochet. Single in the next, and double in the next. Single in the next, and double in the last. And that is how you do every single row of lemon peel stitch. It's so easy, right? Chain 1, turn, and do single, double. A couple things to remember about the lemon peel stitch is that while you're crocheting these, you're always going to place the double crochets of the current row in a single crochet from the previous row. So you can kind of tell that. Let's zoom in here in just a second. So when we look here, we can see that this is a single crochet and this is a double crochet and this is a single crochet. Now when we go to chain 1 and turn our work, we're going to be looking at it obviously from this direction. And so we're going to place that first single right here and then a double in this one. You can kind of tell the single crochets when you're looking at the wrong side here because it's just that little V. So this would be a single crochet right here. So since I'm looking at this side, I'm going to place a double crochet here since that's the single crochet of the previous row, if that makes sense. And that's all there is to the lemon peel stitch. I hope you love it. It's so fun and it creates such gorgeous crochet texture. Thanks for watching and I will talk to you soon.